Hello, hello, beautiful people. So today we are going to be harvesting our potato bed. It's been about 3 to 4 months. That's how usually long it takes for potatoes to grow. We have a bunch of stuff growing, but we're gonna harvest our potatoes today. Like I said, I planted these around January or February-ish. So we're just gonna get in here and see what we got. I'm really excited about this harvest. It looks way better than my previous two harvests. The first one, I just planted them and then forgot about them. I went to harvest and there was nothing there, so I did something wrong. Second time, I got foliage, but not as much as I got with this. So yeah, like I said, I'm really excited about this one, so I'm gonna bring you guys along and show you exactly how I do it. So yeah, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna start by clipping off some of the foliage. It'll make it easier to pull up instead of just doing it all at once. So we're gonna do that. All right, so this is all the foliage I just pulled off, all gonna be compost. And these are the roots. So I planted 6 potatoes, right? One right here, one right here, one right there, which really didn't grow too well. One right there, one right there, and one right there. So this one shot off 1, 2, 3, 4 roots. This one shot off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roots. That one didn't make it. This one shot off 2, 1, 2. This one shot off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one shot off 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I said, I'm really excited about this harvest. So we're gonna start with this pull first over here. See what we get. Look at this bad boy right here. This is what I planted, red potatoes. All right. Okay, not too bad. Long stem right here. Start with this one. We got nothing right here. They're probably down in there. Okay, we got some baby ones. I didn't really water these too well towards the end. Probably should or shouldn't have. This just broke off. Most of the potatoes are probably gonna be in the bed, like I said. These were starting to grow, but then one just fell off right there. I had a few trying to grow. So we're gonna put these over here in the compost pile as well. Throw these over here too, get this bad boy off of here. I don't think this one was done growing, but see what we can do with that. Oh yeah, big boy right here. Throw those over there. Let's get this bad boy out. This had 6 roots growing off of it. Okay. Oh, we got a big root right here. Throw these over here. Get this pool. Okay. And then I'm not expecting anything to come out over here. Like I said. Oh, well, look at that. Look at that. Guess we could do something with that. Get this out. Nothing on here. Throw that over there. And then last but not least, baby. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3. Probably got some more. Man, this looks off. It was ready to shoot off a bunch. Like I said, I really didn't water these towards the end. I was just kind of letting them do their thing because I didn't want the potatoes to get all damp and soggy and rot. So, like I said, this is all just trial and error. This is way, way better than what I got last time. So I'm gonna get this situated and I'm gonna show you guys what we're going with here. All right, so I'm gonna put all my visible potatoes in here. Then we're just gonna dig up the rest of this stuff and put it in a bigger container so we can sift it all out, see what we get. Now, if you're gonna use a shovel like I'm about to do, try to dig in and not actually pierce anything, because you don't want to slice open your potatoes with the shovel. Oh, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really seeing much. So maybe I should have watered more. But we're gonna get all this out first. Oh, there we go. I got a potato out of that little shovel. Throw that right there. Like I said, you want to dig very slow with this. I didn't feel like going down there and digging with my hands, so this makes it a lot faster. Another potato right there. That's a big size one right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these bad boys. 1, 2, got some roots right here. I felt some friction when I was digging, so I knew there was roots or potatoes down there. Got another one right here. I'm not gonna show you guys this whole process. I'm probably just gonna dig it all out and then show you the afterwards. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But I did want to show you what happened with this onion scrap that I planted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this out. So this turns into a green spring onion, and this was an onion scrap that I planted in here. So this is gonna be the last bit of the video, and I'm finna get in here and go to work because I don't want this to be too long. So this is the last of the footage for this bit. All right, and we are all dug up in here. Like I said, all the potato dirt is in here. All the compost is right here. And let's go look at our potato harvest. So keep in mind, I planted 6 potatoes, right? So I planted 6 potatoes. These are the harvest stems, which are also going to be compost. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 5, because there's 2 of them, but it's 5, 6, 7. 8. This is all together, that's 8. This is all together, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stems right there. And I planted 6 potatoes. So I basically 1 set of 6, 2 set of 6, 3 set of 6, 4 set of 6, and then 5 set of, that's 8 over there. So I basically made 100% profit. Am I disappointed? No, not really. I was more eager to get in there and see what I got. But if any of you potato experts know how to multiply this, I'm probably gonna plant a full bed of potatoes now that I know what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm getting better each year, and I like potatoes. I'm gonna make a meal out of these, so I'm not disappointed. I'm more so looking forward to the next harvest because, like I said, each year, each season, I'm getting better. And I'm probably gonna save maybe a set of 6 again and let them sprout and replant them again. And yeah, go from there. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if any of you potato experts that grow your own potatoes know how to multiply this harvest, please drop them in the comments below, and I will definitely implement that into my strategy. But like I said, I'm getting better each year, and I look forward to the next harvest. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day.